Have you ever had a bitter after-dinner drink and wondered what it really is? Today, we are exploring the complex world of Amaro, an Italian herbal liqueur that plays a unique role in dining culture. Amaro is the singular form and amare is the plural for these traditional Italian drinks. The name literally translates to bitters in Italian, serving as a broad umbrella for various healing tonics made from roots, herbs, flowers, and spices. Unlike red or orange aperitif bitters that are only served before a meal, amare are distinctively dark and herbal. They are specifically designed to be consumed after dinner to aid digestion, often served chilled or over ice without any mixers. These quick lunches or late dinners often conclude with a glass of Amaro or something stronger like grappa. This tradition acts as a soothing tonic to complete the meal, providing a sense of closure and relaxation. While different versions exist throughout the world, they share a common characteristic. The bitter quality pulls the entire category under one umbrella. This bitterness stimulates the palate and aids the digestive system. Effectively, think of it as a stimulating liquor or potion that completes the culinary experience. It is not just a sweet dessert wine, it is a functional digestive meant to help your body process the food you have eaten. So next time you order an Amaro, remember that its name means bitter in Italian. It is a deep herbal tradition rooted in healing and soothing, perfect for ending your evening meal on a sophisticated note. Now that you know the story behind the bitter taste, what is your favorite digestive? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into food history.